Welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick, old style minivan, and I mean real quick. Do I not have the right key? Yes. All right, getting ready to do an alternator, guys. I didn't diagnose this car. Now there's a check engine light on, and from what I'm hearing, the battery light will come on from time to time. Ooh, airbag light on too. I don't know. I don't put a lot of thought process into cars that I do not diagnose. Okay, they merely want me to put on a part. I will give you an estimate on replacing the part. So in some cases, I like it that way. That will relieve me of any responsibility as far as if it was the right diagnosis. Okay, now I'm all right with that. Like if you want to know what's wrong with your car and you got $200 and you really need a super special scan too that you don't have, it's okay in my mind to go spend that, invest that $200 at a dealership where they can use the proper scan tool and properly diagnose your car. You look at the estimate and determine what you can and can't do. Okay, because the diagnostic is what starting to kill off the DIY guy. All right, so that's crazy, man, what's going on right now. But like I say, I'm hoping the alternator light come on, but it ain't came on yet. So that's the reason why. And this car is so old. This is a DRB type car, 05 model Caravan. Yes, there's still a lot of these on the road, guys. All right, so, but I'm about to slap. I don't think I need to go in the air to do this good because I don't have a lift. So let me show y'all. I don't want to get too hot, so I'm not gonna let it run. Let's go take a look and see what I'm talking about. All right. Damn, I might need to get on a lift, guys, to get that belt off. Might be a tricky way to, I don't know, we'll see. But guys, when you got alternator light on, one of the biggest issues with that is connection issues, batteries, stuff like that, grounds. But I am going to install what they got me, and let's see where it go from there. All right, so you guys, where's the part? Let me see if I can find a part. Oh, Ultima, anybody heard of that? Really a parts guy, ain't he? Is these things any good? Like I say, I've been relieved of all duties, guys. I have no idea. This is the problem. But this is, however, what I'm about to install. Guys, the alternator fairly easy. I don't even know why I fired the camera up. Because it's an insult to let you guys see me put on an alternator. That is petty. And on top of that, I'm running out of space on my camera anyway. And this is fairly easy on top of that. So 3 negatives. All right, guys, hold tight. Let me go to a break. When I get back, I will likely have this alternator out and I'll show y'all. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, before I disconnect this battery to replace this alternator, this suspense is going to drive me crazy. I want to see DTC. I want to see what codes. Remember, guys, we saw the check engine light, but we did not see the alternator light. Now, again, I'm not taking responsibility for diagnosing this car. It's just that this suspense is killing me. Number one, I want to know why the check engine light on. I'm reading DTC, and what I find is, okay, 1 of 3. One of them is an EGR sensor high. Let's see what the other 2 are. Okay, generator. Okay, charging system voltage low. Oh, I must have passed over it. EGR and generator field control. Okay, very well. Problem very well could be an alternator, guys. I just wanted to look at that. I don't know, man. Something in me that, even though I'm not responsible, I still would like to know. So now I will proceed with disconnecting the battery. Remember, guys, every time you do anything electrical, especially an alternator or anything like that, you should remove the battery, remove the power supply from the car. In other words, disconnect the battery. All right, so let's proceed with replacing this alternator, man. Let's get it. Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick. Hey, real quick. Whoa, what is going on out here? They got a lawnmower sale going on back here. I'm at Brothers Motors, and it looks like they're having somebody in the back. Oh, they got an old school car right there. I wonder, did he find a timing light? Was able to adjust the timing? I don't know. All right, but I'm going to see what he got going on. The doors is open, so that means he is here, guys. Hey, look at that Charger right there. It got a Hemi in it. I wonder if that's a ticker. I don't know, but what my man got? Oh, none of these Chrysler. I told y'all, guys, we can do everything. We get to that point where we find out everything. All right, let's get it. So, what is going on here? Man, that is a nice one. Wonder if that's a ticker. Look at that beauty, y'all. That's a shame if this one got major problem. Which one? The Hemi? What's wrong with it? Chirping noise? Belt noise? Ticking? What the hell is chirping? What you mean chirping? Let me hear. I don't know what you're talking about. Where the key at? Chirpings make a chirping noise. Ooh, it's a nice one too. Well, 2010, 2014.